We got another catch can looking thing right here. It's an oil catch can by ADDW1, ADD1, and we've been running it. It's been saving us from all that gunk because it's been catching a lot of oil, which is great. That means it's not going back into the intake valves. But they released a new model, and because of this new model, I really like the finish of this one because it's carbon fiber. It goes with the carbon fiber theme we're going with this. So let's do a little unboxing. Unboxing on this ADDW. What's it right here? Oh, it's so nice. We got the good foam. Very nice. And then we got, ooh. So we have like the can right here. The top part has this carbon fiber style logo with the top. And then you have the barrel itself, which is carbon fiber. It looks nice when the light hits it. Let me see. Show you guys the weave pattern. And it's actually carbon fiber. You can, on the inside, you can actually see the carbon fiber. So the base plates are metal, but then you have the carbon fiber weave all the way in. That's super nice. And then we have the hoses, and again, whew, really durable, easy to install, and it comes with the directions too. If you guys are looking for a installation video on this, we'll provide a link right here to say how to do a full install. So you have that, hoses. It's just super nice bracket, and making it easy for the BRZ itself. There are various little holders right here. Oh, that's so nice. Whew. Oh, check out this anodized finish right here. Wow, it's beautiful. So it's like a red anodized finish, little set screw, and then you have a decal. Check that out. And kind of, you can, depending on the hose size, you have the, I believe this one's the like the 15 millimeter hose, as well as the 9. So it just tidies up the engine bay because it even has that. So that's gonna look beautiful. So I'm just removing these screws right here, little hex screws, and I'm gonna be mounting it onto the new, the existing bracket. So we just removed the 2 hoses, which is great, and the hoses pretty much go in here. I'm gonna remove this so I can screw on the new one. It's been doing its job, but you know, like a year, last month we emptied it, it was filled. So pretty sure it's only been a month. There shouldn't be too much oil in here, but you can kind of see, even though we just emptied it out last month, check it out, it's still catching a lot of oil, which is great. And then we're going to be installing the new one. Very cool. We're screwing the smaller one on the inlet side. Okay, and then we have the outlet side too. You can put Teflon tape on here to get a nice seal, which we're gonna do. I know this is how this one we had the Teflon tape. Yep, it's reinstalling this, and got that little screw right here, so just matching it up, lining it up. Screwing it in. Squeezing this in, and I'm just gonna use a set screw. This thing actually gets in real tight, so it's pretty nice. Concludes it. We have the catch can installed over there, looking good. Gauge your emissions, nice and tidy. Remember, an oil catch can tank collects such oil mist and condenses the fuel vapors while allowing cleaner gases to be passed back into the intake. Oil catch can catches the oil and moistures in the blow-by gas that cause carbon and sludge buildup in the intake system and keeps the engine clean even under hard driving conditions. And yeah, avoid blow-by, better performance, prolongs engine life, reduces engine sludge. And I mean, you've seen it, we caught a lot of oil. If you guys are looking to buy this product, check out ADDW1.com. I'll actually put a link down below for the exact link, and yeah, highly recommend it. It's like cars like these, we drive it hard, so you might as well make it as fast as possible and as reliable as possible.